Khan. Welcome to the Crest Scientific World. Today I am having a model that is related to human brain. Human brain, first of all, I am going to sharing with you some facts about human brain. Human brain is the brain of human from 7 to the age of 37 is equal, whether that's small kid, larger and smaller. The brain of old man is quite smaller than the brain of other, because day by day and time by time our brain is getting in a gram decreasing in a size, and our cell is going to be die. In the age of 26-27 our brain is going to stop the growth, and from 6 to 7 our brain is equal in the growth. And now our brain, the average size of a brain of human is actually 1.5 kg and 1336 in a gram of male and 1136 in female. The male has quite larger, and while female has quite smaller. There is different parts which I'm going to be deliver one by one. So here is the first part. You can see this is known as cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part that can control your memory, and all the way you are saying, you are thinking, this is just controlled by this all thing. And another, this has 4 lobes, which is divided further into 4 lobes and also into 2 hemispheres, that is the right and left. So this, the black one, you can see this is known as corpus callosum. This is actually the band of axon, and it can share your memory from one hemisphere to another hemisphere. And here is the third part. This yellow color is known as thalamus. It is egg in shape, and it can control your mood, your feelings, your wakefulness and sleep. And this part lies below the thalamus is known as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the part that can control your anger, your thirst, your hunger, and it also can control your heartbeat. The rate of heartbeat can be increases by this, your blood pressure and your breathing during emergency condition. And here is another parts. This is known as cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part, and it is developed in the bird first, while they can tackle good during flight. And this part can control in human your position of body, the way you are running and you are standing. This all can be controlled by this part. And there is another part of the brain is known as pons, and this can control your muscle coordination, and it can help the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the part, and that can develop first in human brain, and this part can control your breathing, your blood pressure and your heartbeat in normal condition. And this can also control your sneezing, coughing, and this thing can be controlled over this. And this is my topic model, and I hope you have found my model informative.